My name's Hannah and I'm a blogger at Budding Smiles, and today I've been talking with Carl Smiley, talking pants. My experience of periods and things like that has actually been really positive. I've been fairly regular and everything. I guess where I would have found these really useful is straight after having my son. Um, Basically, you bleed a lot when you have a baby, and I don't think I was really told how much that would have an impact on me. I thought I could just put on a sanitary pad and that would be fine. Totally wasn't expecting the weeks of heavy bleeding like nothing I'd ever known before. And when my son was a few days old, the midwives had kept asking me, "Have you lost any blood clots?" And I kept saying no because I hadn't. I'd just been bleeding. And so they were saying, "Good, you haven't had any blood clots." Then on about day 3, I lost the mother of all clots. I mean, it was literally the size of an orange, and I thought I was dying. I've never been so terrified in my entire life because I figured if not having blood clots was good, then having them must be really bad. So what I could have done with is, I guess, the education before I had my baby that you are going to have a lot of blood loss, and if you pass clots, then don't panic unless you're passing, just proper education about it, and a pair of these, because I lost my mother of all clots whilst I was in the middle of kiddie care, and bizarrely enough, they didn't have any maternity pads in stock at that time, and I was literally sat on the loo, phoning my husband who was outside with our 3-day-old baby in floods of tears. "Oh, I'm going to die." Then my phone signal went dead, and it was all just absolutely horrific. Whereas if I'd have had a bit more knowledge and a bit more expectation of it, and a pair of these, they feel so soft and lovely, and they've got this waterproof panel that it doesn't crinkle. It feels like they'd be so comfortable. So if I'd have just been able to have a pair of these and maternity pads and things, I would have been able to go out so much more confidently that I wasn't going to leak. I was going to be comfortable, as comfortable as you can be when you just had a baby. I had quite a bad second-degree tear when I had my baby, but these feel like they would have been really comfortable and not been irritating me at all. So again, I would have really benefited from them. Since I've had him as well, my cycles have been anywhere between about 26 and 34, 35 odd days. So, if I want to wear a skirt or pale trousers, I've only really got about a week after my period where I know I'm safe to be able to wear them. A pair of these, I wouldn't have to worry quite so much because I would be able to put them on, wear whatever I wanted to wear, and if I could feel, oh, I'm starting to come on, then I could quickly rush to the loo, but fairly confident that I wouldn't be having any leaks. And I just think that's really empowering. We don't talk enough about blood loss after a baby and about periods. I think I started my period when I was about 12, and I had my mum had geared me up and supported me and everything. So I'm really lucky from that respect.